How to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using Bitpanda. Bitpanda is my favorite exchange, and it has been my favorite exchange for quite a few years. And in my opinion, it's the best exchange to use if you're living in the European Union, Switzerland, or UK. When you log in, you're greeted with the dashboard. At the top, you've got the different assets with the current price. Below there, you've got your portfolio with the current value in US dollars. You can change it to Swiss francs or British pounds in the settings. And then here below, you're going to have your assets. So if you bought some Ripple or Ethereum or Bitcoin, it will be shown here, the amount and the value in US dollars. Now, the first thing that you will want to do when you have your account is probably deposit some fiat currency, US dollars, euros, Swiss francs, onto your Bitpanda account. Now, US dollars is going to have a lot fewer options than, for example, euro or Swiss francs. So let's click on deposit now, and here you can select the different options. So let's go through with the US dollar wallet. You can only pay using Visa, credit card, MasterCard, and Skrill. But here you have to pay attention. You're going to have a little bit higher fee when using a credit card. So 1.5% for Visa, 1.5% for MasterCard, and $1 plus 3.6% for Skrill. That's a lot higher than conventional methods. If you click on cancel, if you're in other country, maybe a European country, or if you're in Switzerland, you can maybe pay with euro or Swiss francs, and here the options are a lot wider. So if you choose in euro, you can also click use the Sofortüberweisung option, which actually goes directly into your bank account. Make sure that you have the money that you'd like to send, and then it's relatively cheap and it's quite instant. After you've logged in, you've basically got the money on your Bitpanda account, so you don't have to wait a few working days. But you do have to pay 1.9% on fees, which is a bit higher than Visa. And you've also got, for the euro, for sending euro, you also got Visa and MasterCard options. You've got SEPA transfer, which I'd recommend using, but since it's free. However, it does take 2 to 3 business days. Then you've got a few more options. EPS, online bank transfer, which is 25 cents and 2% of the amount. And you've got GiroPay, which is also 25 cents and 2% of the amount that you're depositing. You've got NetTeller, which is 90 cents plus an additional 3.6%, and Skrill, which is €1 plus 3.6%. Then the last but not least is Ideal, online bank transfer for users with a bank account in the Netherlands, which costs 30 cents. Now, if we cancel this and close, I'll show you what options you've got with Swiss francs. You've got very similar options. You've also got Sephora, you've also got Visa, and you've also got MasterCard, SEPA, NetTeller, and Skrill. And here again, I'd recommend either using SEPA if you don't mind 2 to 3 business days, or Sofort. So that's it. As soon as you've sent the money, it's relatively easy. You're going to get a bank account and a reference number when using SEPA. Make sure that you add the reference number, otherwise Bitpanda cannot see whose money it is when depositing. So make sure you add the reference number. With Sofort, you don't have that issue. Let's click on cancel. Now, when you've got some money on your account, you've funded your account, you can click on the trade tab. You can also go on the prices to see the different prices of the assets, but you can also go in the trade tab. You click on trade. You can buy, sell different currencies, but since I don't have any fiat on my wallet, I cannot click anything here. What you can also do, in the menu, you can click on prices. Then you've got all the different assets. You've got some commodities here and different cryptocurrencies. So the commodities are gold, silver, palladium, platinum. And on the right side here, you can click on buy to buy this asset. Then below, you've got the different cryptocurrencies that are available to buy. So you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, USDT. You can click on wallets. And here you can see the different wallets. You've got the fiat wallets, USD, euro, Swiss francs, British pounds, and then below that you've got the commodities and cryptocurrency wallets. What you can also do is you can either click on these here on the one that you like. So if you click on a Bitcoin, then here you can also click on buy to buy some more Bitcoin to add to your wallet. You don't really have that many options for choosing the price. When using the standard Bitpanda interface, you're going to be making a market order. So if you want to deposit some cryptocurrency, I wouldn't click on the deposit tab, but click on the wallets tab. And then you can find the wallet that you'd like to deposit some cryptocurrency. So let's say you want to deposit some Bitcoin, and you can click on the Bitcoin wallet, and then you can click on deposit BTC, and you get an address where you can send some BTC. So you can copy your Bitcoin address and then send some BTC to this address here with your other wallet, and it will be added to your Bitpanda account. And then from this tab here, you can sell your Bitpanda into different currencies, either USD, Euro, Swiss francs, or British pounds. So Bitpanda has added new options to pay for saving plans, and until now you could only do it with a credit card, which was not the best option since you have to pay an additional 1.5% on top of the Bitpanda fees. But now you have the option to create a savings plan with a SEPA direct debit, and then you can set up a saving plan and get 10% cash back in BEST as a reward. And here they've got their statement: Bitpanda savings just got better. Create multiple saving plans starting from 25 euro and benefit from the cost average effect, dollar cost averaging, with no additional payment fees. And to celebrate the launch, you can get 10% cash back in BEST using a SEPA saving plan. So if you want to be able to dollar cost average, not using a credit card, but by using SEPA wire transfer, then this is a very good way of maybe averaging your buying price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. To create a saving plan, go to your dashboard, then go down to savings, and you can click on add a new plan. Then you can select the cryptocurrency you'd like to add as a saving plan. So you can say, I'd like to buy maybe one time a week. I would like to buy one time a month. I want to buy 2 times a week, and so on. So you can click on the BTC wallet. And when you're using US dollar, you only have the Visa and MasterCard option. With the Swiss franc, it's the same. You only have the Visa and the MasterCard option, but you do have the SEPA wire transfer option when using Euro. So when you click on the Euro sign, you can create a BTC savings plan with SEPA. So let's click on that. So here you can add your IBAN number so that they know which account is sending them a deposit, and that will happen depending on what you choose, either weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and so on. But I'll click on cancel because I don't want to create a savings plan at the moment. Close now. One great feature that I really like about the Bitpanda website is the ability to create some alerts. So let's create an alert for Bitcoin. With this Bitcoin graph, you can either select the trading view charts, or you can have the standard non-complicated charts, but I prefer to use the trading view charts. And when you go below, you can create an active price alert. So let's create one. Click on create. You've got different options. You can either put in a price that you'd like to receive the alert for. So let's say I want to have a price alert for when the price goes below 4,999 US dollars. And I can click on add alert, and it will give me an alert. As you see, a new alert has been added. When the Bitcoin price falls below 4,999 US dollars, I will receive an email notification on my phone, and it will give me a buying opportunity. When you're on your dashboard, you might want to change the currency. At the moment, US dollar is being shown, but you may want to show you Swiss francs or Euro or British pounds. So what you can do is click on the little panda icon on the right top side of your account, and then click on my account. As you can see, I'm fully verified. You can go down to language and currency settings. You can change the language, and you can change the fiat currency. So at the moment it's on US dollars, but I can also choose Swiss francs if I prefer that. The changes have been saved, and now when I go back to the dashboard, you see all the prices are in Swiss francs. you do have the option of going a little bit more professional and having better charts and better trading interface if you go to the Pro version. It is free, it's just called Pro, and you can go there by typing in exchange.bitpanda.com, and you can log in using the same account that you've used for your Bitpanda normal account. The interface is very intuitive, nice and colorful. It also uses the TradingView charts, and I'm a big fan of those. On the left side, you can make your order. You can either add a market order, a limit order, and you can also add a stop loss. Here at the top, right next to the logo, you've got the different markets that you can select to trade in. So at the moment it's on XRP Swiss francs. You can have maybe a BTC Euro, Ethereum Euro, XRP Swiss francs, BTC Swiss francs. And let's go to the BTC Swiss francs. In the middle of the screen, we've got the order book. At the top, you've got the sell orders, and at the bottom, you've got the buy orders. You can just click on a price. For example, if you want 8,800, you can click on it and it will add the limit price here to the left of the screen, and you can select the amount that you'd like to sell or buy below the amount. If you want to hide different parts of the trading interface, you've got a little arrow here in the middle. You can click on it and it will hide different aspects. So you can hide everything if you want. You can also hide the order book. You can click on that. You can also hide the market history and the different markets. So you can also click on here, and then you've got a whole picture of your trading interface. And to show everything back again, you can just click on these arrows and it will expand the order book and the order input. The charts, the TradingView charts work the same as with the standard TradingView charts that you find on tradingview.com. There are a few indicators that are not available. So they've only got limited amount of indicators, but you can still get many of the popular ones. So you can click here on indicators to select different indicators. So if I want RSI, I can just type in a relative strength index. If I want MACD, this is also available, and even the Ichimoku cloud, which I'm a big fan of. So you can also add the Ichimoku cloud to your charts, and you can also change the settings of these indicators by clicking on the little cog wheel, and you can change all the settings the same way as with TradingView. I'm very happy that they use the TradingView charts, because it means it's another thing that you do not need to learn additionally if you're already familiar with TradingView. So that was a short guide on how you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Bitpanda. I'm a big fan of the exchange. It's very easy to use, especially if you're a beginner. You can use the standard interface, and if you want to set some limit orders and you're a little bit more advanced, then I'd highly recommend that you use the Pro interface, even if the liquidity is not the best. So yeah, that was it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.